Hello, welcome back. Now, this is something many pet owners avoid until it becomes a problem: grooming and hygiene. Part time struggles, nail cutting drama, brushing battles. Sound familiar? Don't worry, we are going to make this smooth and stress free. Let me ask you, does your pet stay calm during grooming or try to escape? If they resist, it's not because they are difficult, it's because they are not trained for it yet. Start with the right mindset. Grooming is not just cleaning, it's a training process. Your goal is to make your pet feel like this is normal and safe. Start slow. This is very important. Don't do everything at once. Begin with small steps. Touch their paws. Give them some reward. Brush for 5 seconds. Again, reward them. Handle their ear gently and just keep rewarding them. Build comfort gradually. Next is desensitization. This is the key. Introduce grooming tools slowly. Show them the brush. Let them sniff it. Use it gently, and as soon as they allow you to use it on them, just reward them. No sudden action. Be calm, be peaceful, and do everything very gradually. Use positive reinforcement. Every calm behavior, reward them immediately. Now your pet learns that staying calm means good things will happen. I've told you this multiple times throughout this course that you need to stay calm, you need to reward the calm behavior, need to pay attention only when your pet is calm. So keep these things in mind. They are very useful and helps you in every lecture and in every part of the training. Nail trimming made easy. This is a big challenge for many. Start with touching paws regularly, getting them used to the clipper sound, cutting one nail at a time. No rush. You have the entire life to train your pet and make it an experience which your pet loves. So stay calm. Part time without stress. Make it positive. Use lukewarm water and stay calm and reward after bath. Keep sessions short and gentle. Special tips for cats. Cats groom themselves but still need some support. Brushing reduces shedding. Clean environment means better hygiene. So keep it gentle and minimal for cats. Never force. If your pet is stressed, don't force grooming. Take a break, try again later. Build trust, not fear. Make it a routine. Just like training, grooming should be regular. Weekly brushing, occasional baths, routine checks. Consistency reduces resistance. Your pet will become used to this process and will not overreact and will be calm in such situations. Quick grooming exercise. Right after this video, try a 1 minute grooming session. Touch paws, light brushing, reward calm behavior. Keep it short, keep it positive. Grooming is not a task, it's a bonding exercise. Because when your pet trusts you during uncomfortable moments, your relationship becomes stronger. And here's something powerful: a clean pet is healthier, a calm pet is easier to care for. In the final section of this course, we'll explore something exciting: turning your skills into opportunity, trainer, brand, and income. So keep it gentle, build trust, and I'll see you in the next lesson.